Okay, today guys, I am going to share with you how to make the best tasting stuffed bell peppers you ever had. Now I have my onions in here. I'm using 3 yellow onions. I am using, let's see if we can get it where you guys can see it, the Polska kielbasa skinless sausage. I'm using the pork and chicken today. And here it is. I got this from, these are Polish, skinless Polish. I got these from Burkhart's. And of course, I'm going to use my handy dandy full star chopper. And yes, guys, it's not supposed to be for meat. But guess what? Yeah, we're doing it. Okay, so this is the peel. Easy open. See if I can do it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, you know what, guys? I am going to use a knife. Okay. Now we're going to open it. Look at how long they are. This will definitely be enough. They come 2 in a package, and you can get turkey, the beef and pork. This is what I'm using today. Oh, that's too long. So we're going to put this in the chopper, and we're going to chop it up. Dice it up into pieces. Okay, here we go. Hey, that was nice. And we're going to do the second one the same way. This saves a lot of time. A lot of time, guys, using this. And like I said, it's not made for meat. But if the meat is stiff enough, it'll definitely cut through it. Now we're going to do the onions. And we're going to saute these, all of it together, so that the onions and the Polish can infuse flavors. And like I said, I'm using the yellow onions. Oh boy, that's full. Okay, let's empty this. we got one more onion. One more onion. Last piece. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you what it looks like all diced up. And then I'll be back. Oh, that's gold. Can't leave that in there. Okay. So this is what it looks like all diced up. And we're going to saute this in some olive oil, and we're going to add not butter, we're going to add minced garlic and some seasoning. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm using my Roma rice cooker, 8 quarts, and I am making multi-rice. I have it set for 4. Of course you can't see it because everything rolls up to the top, but I have 4 cups of multi-rice in here. The multi-rice is a blend of black, red, purple, brown, and jasmine. So this is what we're going to stuff the bell peppers with. Sorry about the finger, guys. Okay, I'm going to close this down, and we're going to set this. We're going to start it and then hit brown rice, and there it is. It's already started. Tracing lines. Over here, guys, my husband is sauteing the yellow onions with the Polish and skinless Polish, and there it is, a lot of garlic. We love garlic. Honey, are we putting any type of seasoning in here? Okay, so once it gets going a little bit better, then we're going to add the seasoning. Okay, guys, and we're cooking it in olive oil. So when we get ready to put the seasoning in, what are we going to use?
Whatever you want.
No.
I'm sure it's going to be garlic somewhere.
Garlic Romano. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, so here is the meat, the Polish sausage, the multi-rice, and onions mixed together. These are the seasonings that we used from Trade East brand Italian pizza seasoning from Gordon's. And of course, my most favorite Trady's brand from Gordon's Garlic Romano. And here are the peppers, guys. We got 4. So we're going to do a small dinner. We'll be back. Oh, and my husband said, don't forget to tell you guys that there's garlic in here. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you there's also black rice in here too. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys, we have them, well, my husband have them all stuffed, and we are cooking them in a cast iron Dutch oven. They'll go into the regular oven for 1 hour, and then we'll be ready to plate it up. We'll be back. Okay, guys, here is the final results. The pepper is so stuffed, it won't even stand up. And of course, biscuits on the side. Ah, my husband put a thumbprint in that one. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys have to try this. You are going to really, really enjoy it. Look at that. Look at that. Now tell me, guys, that's not enough to fill a hungry belly. Happy eating.